Hey guys, Leo Gosling here. Today I want to do like a little tutorial video about Rubik's Cubes. You know, it's a bit of a weird video for this channel because I was doing only vlogging and stuff. But I think I could do this too, you know. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so here we have a shuffled cube, as you can see, and you're gonna you're gonna need to know some basic stuff about this. So every color on every layer. So how you know if you want to know if this is the blue side, you look at the middle piece, and if it's blue, this is the blue side, and this is gonna be the blue layer. Okay. So this is orange, so this is gonna be the orange layer, green layer, red layer. This is black, but it should be yellow. You know, I have this special V cube, so it's different a little. And this is the yellow side. So we're gonna start off with a thing called the daisy. It's like a cross. It's a white cross with a yellow piece in the middle. And so this thing, you're gonna have a white piece in each thing here, like a cross, you know. But some people just call it the daisy, you know. Okay, so how you're gonna do that? You see, we already have two pieces over here. So you're gonna look for some other pieces. So you have this piece, and this piece has to go right here. So you're gonna move this piece out of the way, because you don't want a yellow piece over here. You're gonna move it up here, okay? Okay, so you have another piece right here. So you're gonna move this over here, and just move it up. So you see, now we have a daisy, kind of. These pieces should be white, I told you already. Okay, so now you're gonna have to look at the color, this color at each piece, and look at the middle piece. And these two pieces have to be identical. So in this case, we have green here, and this piece is green too. So that means we can do the next move. Okay, so the next move, we're gonna rotate it 2 times. So on the black side, we're gonna have it right here, okay? And then you look. So we have orange here, so let's rotate that to the orange side. Okay, so now these two are identical, and you rotate it. Okay, now we have blue. We rotate it to the blue side. And then you rotate it like this. Then we have to go to the red side. Okay, so now that we have the white cross, we're gonna first solve the white layer on top. So how we're gonna do that? How are we gonna do that? So you look for white pieces. So you see they're all scattered around, mixed up. And you look at the piece next to it on the other layer. So in our case it's red. And just like last time, we're gonna, this color has to match the middle piece. So then we're gonna move this here. But we just simply can't move it here, because then we're gonna destroy the cross. Okay, so we're gonna move it out of the way, like this. Then we're gonna move this layer, this down, and move it right back. Yeah, and move it back up. Okay. So there are cases when you have the piece here, or here on the bottom layer. So in this case, you're gonna, in my opinion, this is the easiest way. There are many other ways to do this, but I'm gonna show you the simplest way. You're gonna move this, the cross, part of the cross, out of the way, move this up then move it back so you have the cross. You're gonna always need to have the cross here. Okay, so now we have it here. See? And so we matched the blue side. We move it out of the way. Move this down. And we moved it here. Okay, now we have this bottom piece. Yeah. We're gonna look for another space and do the same thing. Yeah, until it comes here, and then you move this down. Yeah, you see this is the orange, so this is orange, so we're gonna move it to the orange side. You move it out of the way, move this down, move this back, and we have one piece left. So yeah, same thing here. Move this out of the way, move this up, move it down, move it right back, move it out of the way, move this down, move it back, and now we have solved the white side. Sorry. So if you did all the moves correctly until now, you're gonna have on each layer, you're gonna have like small T's. Yeah. In some cases you have the whole thing, but you still have a small T. Yeah, at each color. If you don't, do it again, do everything again until you get this. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, this is a bit harder. It's gonna be harder to understand. So pay close attention to this. Okay. So you see, we're gonna need to solve the next piece, next three pieces. So this top thing is solved, and the orange side is already solved. So what we're gonna do to get these pieces here, you're gonna look again, but the pieces are not allowed to be yellow, because it doesn't work like that. So you're gonna move this, because this is red, you're gonna move it to the red side. And so you have the red side and the green side. And this is red, and this piece is green. Yeah, so you move it to this side, now you have a big T. And you're gonna have to think at the beginning, you're gonna think that these two pieces have to come right here. Yeah. So you're gonna hold the yellow side towards you. You're gonna move this side to the right. Yeah. Then you're gonna move the bottom part to the right. And then this part here, you're gonna move down. So now we're gonna have to fix our white. Yeah. So we're gonna pull this down. This down, you pull this down, so you pull this down, and then you have this shape and an L shape. You're gonna move this up, you're gonna move this out of the way, and move this middle part down, and then you move this back. So now we have fixed our white, and you see these parts are red. This is red, this is green. Okay, so now we have blue and red. I'm gonna move this to the blue side, and these two pieces are gonna come right here. The blue is gonna come here, and the red is gonna come right here. So we're gonna do the same move set. Move this right, bottom part right, top part down. And now we have to fix our white again. Yeah, you move this back here, move this like this, and you have this shape and do the L shape. You're gonna move this up, you're gonna move this piece out of the way, middle piece down, and move it back. So now you have fixed your white, and the red side and the orange side is complete, almost. First two layers, first two parts are complete. Okay, so now we have orange and green. We're gonna move this to the orange side. So in this case, we already have an orange right here, but that doesn't matter because they're just gonna switch, you know. And we're gonna do the green part, okay? So in this case, because it's on the other side, we're gonna do the same moveset, but in reverse, like different. So you're gonna move this, instead of right, you're gonna move it left. The bottom part, you're gonna move left, and you're gonna pull this part down, the other part. And now we have to fix our white again. So you're gonna have to do it all again. Okay, like this, move it out of the way, pull the middle part down, and your white is fixed. And we have to finish the blue side. So now it's already on the blue side, so these two pieces, this piece is gonna come here and this piece is gonna come here. So we're gonna move this left, bottom part left, and this part down. So now we have to fix our white again. So now we have the first two layers done. First two parts. Next, you're gonna go to the yellow side. In my case, I have an L-shaped yellow, but you're gonna have either a hook of yellow, you're gonna have yellow like this, one spot in the middle, or just a bar, or this L. So in this case, it's the L shape, and you're gonna hold it like this. Okay, so the bar is horizontal, and you're gonna do the next moveset. So this part is a little bit harder. You're gonna do this moveset: front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. So now you have the hook, okay? And now you're gonna do the same moveset all over again. Front clockwise, up clockwise, no, that's counterclockwise, sorry. So up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclock. Oh no, sorry, I messed it up. Okay guys, sorry about that. I messed up the moveset. So now we have a yellow cross, but I redid everything that we just did. So in some cases, if you get lucky, you get this yellow cross. How do you say this? You get the yellow cross for the first time you do all of this. So what I did was I redid the moveset over again. So I'm gonna put the moveset on the screen for you right now, so you can redo it. You can pause the video and do the moveset, okay? So this is the moveset. Okay guys, now if you have this yellow cross and yellow piece right over there, I like to call it fish, but now we have to take this piece and put it right here. So to do that, we're gonna do another move set. So this is the move set: right, clockwise, up, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, clockwise, right, clockwise, up 2 times, and right, counterclockwise. So now we have the fish's head and the tail in this position, but we're gonna bring it in this position. And now you see we moved this piece from here to here. So up next, we're gonna have to solve all of the yellow side. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna have to do the same move set over again. Right, clockwise, up, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, clockwise, right, clockwise, up, clockwise, up 2 times, sorry, and right, counterclockwise. So now you see we have the yellow side done. If you don't have the yellow side done, then I'm gonna put the move set on the screen for you, okay? And pause the video and do it all over again. Okay, now if you have this yellow side, you're gonna see that you have these two. Okay guys, sorry about that, my camera died, so I had to start over. So now you have these 2 pieces, which you're gonna slide right here to the red side because they're red. Or for example, if you have green and green, you're gonna rotate them to the green side. Okay, so now you're gonna rotate it to the opposite side, and you're gonna do the following move set: right, clockwise, front, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 2 times, right, clockwise, front, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 2 times, and right 2 times. Okay, so now you have 2 pieces on each layer, and sometimes 1 layer that is completed. So now, oh wait, sorry, my mic was unplugged. So now you're gonna take this side and rotate it to the opposite side, and now you're gonna do the last move set: right 2 times, up, clockwise, right, clockwise, up, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, clockwise, and then down. So in my case, it looks like I haven't completed. Usually if you do this move set, you will complete the Rubik's Cube. But if the same thing happened to you, you're gonna do the same move set again. So you're gonna take this completed side and flip it over to the opposite side and do the move set again. Right 2 times, up, clockwise, right, clockwise, up, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, up, clockwise, right, counterclockwise. Okay, so now we have completed the Rubik's Cube. Oh, oops. Okay, so I bought a new microphone. I just wanted to do the outro, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, punch the like button in the face. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.